They're very nice. Let them stop me here. Look at this. These are beautiful. Look at these.
Story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
So guys, I'm in Burlington and I'm going to do some eye shopping for some stuff because I want to do a room changeover. I'm actually going to paint my room into a different color. And for those who don't know, if you come to America, Burlington is very cheap, but it has some nice stuff like household stuff. So guys, I am going to look for some stuff. This is Burlington. This is Burlington. So I'm going to look at some old stuff. These are like animal stuff. Oh, whenever I see the animal stuff, I miss my cat. Well, technically it's not my cat, but I love the cat. I miss Lazy. Every day I think about Lazy. Guys, these are beautiful. These are shower curtain decor. So like for shower curtain, them something here real nice, guys. Very nice. You know. So you get them. I put them for a shower curtain. I have them style here. But more than these, I like them kind of something here. You know. And this is kind of like a bathroom thing. You put it at the corner of your bathroom, and you just I'm gonna see the price on this. I'm not gonna show you guys what exactly thing I'm gonna get as yet, because I want to show y'all when I make over my room. I want to do it for Christmas, so I'm looking through, and most of the time Burlington normally have the same stuff. These are some bathroom rugs. So if your bathroom slide, you put them in a bathtub. You know. Yes, I'm going through. We have some nice pillow over here, so some nice pillow, which I need some pillows. But yes sir, you see them pillow. Anytime I buy a pillow, guys, most of the time I always have to pull them. This is what I'm talking about. Them tummy fit pillow, yeah, is the bomb. These pillow are the bomb, but I'm not for the price. And them always have them, and them not expensive, you know. They're very cheap. They're reasonable price too. The price is good. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this. But this is for twin bed, but it's cheap. Like if you have a little child or something, you know, these things are nice. You know, guess what? Me really need one of them, yeah. And God, me need one. And I think I'm gonna buy it now. Yep, me need one of them here. Color them. I need one of them here. These are a basket. Like we can drop stuff in there. We can actually store stuff in there. People put them dirty clothes in there, but I want to store stuff. I can put it in my closet neatly and pack away some stuff in there, because I definitely need one or two of them. Alright, let me go around there and come back, then I'll decide which one I want. You guys will see which one I get. I don't really have much of this I want to do. Oh no, I am lying. Actually guys, I'm going to the right spot now. You guys remember our room stuff may look fun. People, look at this. Look at this lamp right here. Guys, this is nice. I like this. Them something here, I like bling bling. I'm different. Me kind of like the bling bling world. You know, this is nice. Very nice. Wow. Then it has them. I really and truly, I'm trying to get a white room. I want to get a white room. This is the perfect thing. This right here, this is the perfect thing. Guys, look at this. Cause this tall, you know, cause the one that I already have now, it is tall like this. It's big like this. The one I already have now it's big like this, same way, same color to the top, or like the color is close. The color is very close, but here is wooden. It's wooden right here. Here is wooden, but I really do like this. This is nice. This is very nice. This is nice too, but I really don't like the top part of it. Not that I don't like the top part, I don't like the color. The color, it's kind of kids-ish. So this will go in a kid's room. Like this is if you have your kids, you could put these in their room. They're very cute, but kidsy. You know, these are very childish, but you know. And then guys, let's have these. You could put them one here in your living room, like behind the couch. You can rest them behind the couch. Them something very nice. But tell us Burlington, and they are not expensive. That's the whole point. Guys, look at these prices. These are very cheap. Good price. Something I'm going with this. I need to get one of these though. I would have get the white one, but guess what? You see if the white did depend this. It's like mother want this a white here, upon this here. This will be a good, nice fit. You know? And I need a rug, but not this kind of rug. Them rug are nice, them fluffy, them furry. But this is them something here. When stuff dropping out them last. You know? I want to have a white, like a white, grey with silver or gold room. Like a white, grey with silver or gold room. That's what I'm gonna transform my room into for Christmas. Some of these things, you know. What's it, my shoes? I don't know. These. Some of these things, these are nice, like to put downstairs. You know. These things are very cute, guys. Very nice. So I am still looking. I'm gonna grab some items, like not all stuff now, but I'm gonna get some stuff as we speak. It has so much stuff in here. When I come in here, guys, anytime I come in Burlington, I spend what I have to spend. Alright, look at these. These are what I'm talking about, guys. Them stuff in here. It's like your room. You want things like these by your stand. Like them something here. Them something cute. So let me show you better look. So like them something here. These are very nice. All them something here. Look at this. These are beautiful. Look at these. But I would have taken this one and this one, because these are the color that I'm trying to work with very soon. These are the color I am trying to work with. This is nice if I would get a gold, but I think I like this one more because I'm a silver girl. I'm kind of like a silver girl. I like silver, like, or you just say white gold. I'm a silver kind of person. So guys, stay tuned. I'm about to leave the store. Well, not leave the store, I'm going into the line. I'm going into the line right now. Right now, I'm going to the line. I must wonder where my mask is. Yes, I have my mask, guys. You know? The line is a bit long. I'm not showing what I'm doing as yet. You know? So one time I room decorate, one of us say, what did she get? What exactly did she get? One of the sisters is going new to Uno. Guys, I know so I'm not fix my hair properly. Can't leave in a hurry. I did not. My hair is messy. Bad. So bye guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend about life with Caribbean.